And what else we gonna do in here today? Oh, Daddy's gonna go up and look at the DJI store.
Oh.
Again, you guys know I love DJI products, so we're gonna look at the DJI store and check it out while we're here at the mall. And then, what else want we do? We're gonna we're gonna scare the hiccups out of you. You got the hiccups now?
Yeah.
You still have them?
Yeah.
I didn't scare them out?
You didn't scare them out yet.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to scare the hiccups out of Storm while we're here too at the mall. So stay with
I
us.
want to do it now.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Well, it is another Friday. Friday Family Day here in the Philippines, as we call it. And so we had our Family Day earlier today. We had to go to immigration, so we went to the mall, visa extension again for a couple of months. So we did that, and we had some lunch. We went to a neat place today. We took Storm to it. It was a very neat place. So we're gonna share that with you guys. It was fun. It was a pretty fun place to have lunch. So we're gonna share that with you guys today. Okay, guys, it's time for some lunch, and we're gonna try a new place called Pizza Planet.
Yeah, I'll show you around.
Okay.
So, way up there is the spaceship and the TV and another TV and some of the shooting stars. Everywhere the shooting stars.
Look, there's the space station. See the space station?
Where?
Over there.
Over there?
Yeah, this is cool. Look. Wonder what planet that is.
Ooh, Saturn!
Yeah, Saturn.
And yeah. It's like an Earth but a ring around it.
Yes. Decorated up like a spaceship inside.
Oh, yes, it is.
What's up?
It's a TV.
It's a planet. What do you think about this place?
Cool. But you know what? The 765 rocket is really huge.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Look.
But something worse happened.
Yeah.
Something worse happened.
Guys, this is a cool place right here. And we ordered they have pizza, nachos,
Something worse happened.
chicken and rice. Oh, there's
Something
planet
worse
Earth.
happened.
Is that Earth?
Yeah. I see Antarctica.
See Antarctica?
Yeah, right over there. Daddy?
Look at that spaceship.
Whoa. Daddy, the 765 rocket ship and it's separated.
It's separated.
Do you know why?
Why? Tell them.
Well, on the end of this talk, we just see.
Uh-huh.
So it's separated and pulled to Earth.
Look. There's it splashing down. That's the ship when it comes back.
Yeah.
Look at it falling, Bubba. It's going to splash down in the ocean.
Yeah.
Ah, guys. Now we got some food. Check it out. We got some pepperoni pizza here. Oh, that looks good. We have some wings and some nachos. And what do you got? Some pasta? Pasta what?
Pasta negra.
Ah, looks good.
Whoa.
You ready for some pizza?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Daddy cut you. All right, guys, we're gonna dig into this food here. You want a bite? That's a big shake, Bubba. So did you enjoy Planet Pizza?
Yes.
Yes, was it good?
Yes.
Yes, are you full?
Yes.
Okay guys, so this was a good find. You want to come back?
Yeah, but you know what? Daddy drinks too much bitter. That makes you a bitter daddy. That's your name, bitter.
Bitter.
That's your
Okay
name,
guys, we
bitter.
enjoyed our lunch. So we've done taking care of business today, so we're going to head back on to the house. And thank you guys. Mama said she wants to take a nap, so we're going to head back. And then yes, we're going to go for a walk later. Walk off some of this food. Yeah guys, we're going to walk off some of this food this afternoon. So thank you guys for joining us today. You got to subscribe. Tell everyone to please subscribe.
Please subscribe
And give us a what?
and give us a what? And thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And next time you have to see bitter daddy drinking bitter.
Check out the sunset, guys. It's gonna be sunset here, probably another half an hour. So we're gonna check out a sunset. We got some kids flying a kite here. And there's Storm climbing. You climbed a big hill, Bubba. Good job.
Yeah, I can spot some deer.
Some deer?
Spotted some deer.
You spotted some deer.
No, I didn't.
Maybe some goats. I don't know about deer. I think they have deer in the Philippines, some small deer in certain parts, but I don't think there's any deer around the NCR or the Manila area. But yeah, guys, we're just out. It's nice afternoon. I actually got some breeze today. It has been so hot, guys, here in the Philippine summer. That's why we go to the mall a lot. We have something to do, plus it's cool. So if we're not in the water somewhere, either at the beach somewhere or the swimming pool or a resort somewhere, to stay cool, we go to the mall. At least you got the air conditioning blowing strong in the mall, so you can just sit in there and keep cool. But it's a nice breeze this afternoon, so we're just gonna come out here. I got the drone with me, so we'll probably get some nice shots of the sunset, and we'll share that with you guys. And hope you guys are getting ready for Mother's Day. We got Mother's Day coming up on Sunday, so we're going to take Margot out for Mother's Day, Storm and I. So we're gonna share that with you guys. So we got that. Looking forward to that here in a couple of days. But thank you guys for joining us. Hope you guys are getting ready for a weekend. Hope you guys have a good weekend this weekend. And let's see what's going on here this afternoon.